Tires are a major component of your car, giving it the grip and traction it needs to stay stable and safe on the road. But in order for tires to perform as expected, they need to be taken care of properly. That's where Tire Shine comes in. Tire Shine isn't just about making your car look good, it's a preventative measure that helps keep your tires in top condition. When shopping for Tire Shine, you'll find that there's a vast array of products to choose from. Some are more effective than others, while some are better suited for certain surfaces. That's why we've compiled this list of the best Tire Shine of 2023 to help you find the right product for your needs. Number 1. Adams Polishes Tire Shine. The Adams Graphene Tire Dressing Combo is the perfect product for anyone looking to make their tires look like new. It contains reduced graphene oxide ceramic resins, the most cutting-edge auto care technology, which allows a curing characteristic to be added to a conventional water-based, silicone tire dressing. To maintain the tire's appearance, this product seals them off and keeps out contaminants like water and dirt. Formulated to contain the same reduced graphene oxide ceramic resins that are built into our other graphene products, such as Adams Graphene Detail Spray, allowing for a curing characteristic to be added to a traditional water-based, silicone tire dressing. Its long-lasting and high-quality coverage secures the top spot on the list. It provides you with all the necessary wheel and tire care components while delivering a perfect, like new finish. Moreover, it also comes with a 110% satisfaction guarantee. Number 2. Chemical Guys Tire Shine. The Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Extra Glossy Tire Shine is a sprayable tire dressing that gives your tires a like-new appearance. The formulation penetrates deep into the tires, restoring a brilliant shine without leaving a greasy or slimy residue. It also offers durable protection against UV rays, which helps prevent discoloration, fading, and cracking of the tire. Unlike other tire shines and plastic dressings that leave surfaces feeling greasy and slimy, Tire Kicker Extra Glossy Tire Shine finishes dry to the touch with a non-slippery feel and helps avoid attracting fresh dirt and dust. For a glossy finish, it can also be used on all rubber, vinyl, and plastic pieces around the car's exterior and interior. It is especially useful in achieving a wet shine on tires, as it does not attract dirt and dust as easily as other dressings. Number 3. McGuires Tire Shine. The McGuires Ultimate Insane Shine Tire Coating is a must-have product for those who want their vehicle to look its best and are looking for an easy solution. The advanced synthetic polymer chemistry offers the highest gloss tire shine around, while the advanced resin technology creates a long-lasting finish. This premium formula is McGuire's highest gloss tire shine to date for customers who want a soaking wet look shine for their tires. With advanced synthetic polymer chemistry, this aerosol spray tire dressing delivers extreme, attention-grabbing depth with amazing gloss and shine. The formulation provides protection from fading and cracking with anti-odorants and creates a beautiful, soaking wet look with its spray tire dressing. This product can be simply sprayed onto the tires and the convenient aerosol allows for immediate coverage and fast results with zero downtime. Number 4. Car Guys Tire Shine. The Car Guys Tire Shine Spray is a great product that can be used to achieve the desired level of tire shine. The non-greasy formula dries to the touch with a matte finish and offers long-lasting UV protection. For precise application, it comes bundled with an easy-to-use applicator pad. The bottle will last long, and the protection will too. Just one layer works to hydrate the surface, and defend against harmful UV rays that cause fading, browning, and cracking. This special product is boosted with a proprietary, long-lasting polymer additive that works to extend longevity, and enhance product performance. A proprietary, long-lasting polymer component is also added to the mix to increase longevity, making it the finest option for those who wish to maintain glistening tires for extended periods of time. It can be used on many different types of surfaces, including vinyl, rubber, plastic, and more, so you can use it on other parts of your car's exterior. Number 5. Trinova Tire Shine. Trinova Tire Shine Spray is the perfect choice to give your tires a slick and dark finish that lasts. It features advanced coating and protection that guarantees shine and guards tires against aging and discoloration. Furthermore, it has an effective dirt and grime repellent to keep your car's appearance sharp. Trinova's Tire Shine Spray also offers additional protection against outside elements that can ruin your car's appearance and also damage your tires along the way. With this spray, you won't have to worry about water spots or salt stains making your tires look dirty or dingy any longer. It enables you to get the desired amount of gloss with only one application, regardless of whether you like a high, medium, or a low shine appearance. It is straightforward to use by spraying evenly on your tires, letting it sit for the desired time, and then wiping it off.